Atlas Robot by Boston Dynamics and Tesla Optimus by Tesla are advanced humanoid robots. Atlas Robot is designed for agility, mobility, and research in robotics. It can run, jump, backflip, and perform parkour. It maintains balance on uneven terrain or when pushed. It moves through complex environments. It can pick up, carry, and place objects. It uses two arms for coordination, and it responds quickly to external changes. Tesla Optimus has bipedal locomotion with human-like movement. It can grasp tools, lift objects, and fold clothes. It utilizes Tesla's AI to learn tasks through visual perception and imitation. It is capable of working without human control. It is built to be safe and helpful around people. Atlas Robot is designed for real-world use in factories, homes, and other environments. It is used for robotics research, demonstrating humanoid capabilities, and agility-based applications. It is not currently intended for consumer or industrial use. It is expensive and experimental. Tesla Optimus is designed to perform repetitive or hazardous factory tasks. It is used in household chores and for general labor automation. It is still under development, and less agile than Atlas. Optimus targets practicality for industry and home use, focusing on scalability and cost efficiency.